Hello and good day to you all, as my dear viewers. As always, my name is Rekia Hassan Bako, a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, a center that boasts of experts in the field of phytotherapy, and our medicines are manufactured from natural organic herbs. I always insist on emphasizing on this natural organic herbs, which have been tested, trusted, licensed, and approved by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, to be used around the world. And our medicines are very, very effective and affordable. Well, today I'm going to talk about another illness, which is cancer. Yes, cancer. I'm going to talk about cancer. What is this cancer? Well, cancer is caused by mutation, or one want to use the layman's term, it's caused by change to the DNA within cells. In the broader term, cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grows uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the body, in the human body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Also, we have different types of cancer. I'm going to mention five, which is we have the carcinoma cancer, we have the sarcoma cancer, we have the leukemia, we have the lymphoma and myeloma cancer, we have the central nervous system cancer. Starting from the carcinoma cancer, a carcinoma cancer begins in the skin or the tissue that covers the surface of the internal organ and gland. The sarcoma cancer, onto the sarcoma cancer, a sarcoma cancer begins in the tissue that supports and connects the body. Next onto the next one, which is leukemia. Leukemia is cancer of the blood. Next is lymphoma and myeloma. Lymphoma and myeloma cancer it's a cancer that begins in the cells of immune system. So the central nervous system, which is the fifth one I'm going to mention today, the central nervous system cancer is the cancer that begins in the tissue of the brain and spinal cord. Also, I'm going to go on to straightforward to the symptoms of cancer. Although cancer symptoms and signs depend on the specific type and grade of cancer, the following can be found in patients with different. That in general, I'm going to say the symptoms in general. The following symptoms I'm going to mention, they can be found in patients with different types of cancer. First of all, there is fatigue. There is a feeling of fatigue when someone is dealing with cancer. There is a symptom of fatigue. There's weight loss. There is skin changes. There is change in bowels or bladder function. There is lump or tissue masses. There is even change in the voice. Also, you feel feverish. You feel pains all over your body, and there is unusual bleeding. There is pelvic pain. There is breast changes. There is chronic coughing, there is chronic headache, there is change in bathroom habit, there is what we call difficulty in swallowing. Whenever you want to swallow something, you find it very, very difficult to swallow. There is also excessive bruising, and so on. There are many, many symptoms, but these ones I've mentioned, no matter what kind of cancer you are battling with, you will somehow experience maybe two or three of these symptoms I've just mentioned. On to the next, which is major causes of cancer. We have different major causes of cancer, but today I'm going to just list few. We have the chemical or toxic compound exposure. Under this chemical or toxic compound exposure, we have what we call benzene, we have asbestos, we have benzidine, we have tobacco or cigarette, etc. There are many, but let me just give you these few. The next one is ionizing radiation. Yes, ionizing radiation. We have under ionizing radiation, we have uranium, we have radon, we have ultraviolet rays from the sunlight, and many more. Also, we have pathogens and genetic. Yeah, it can be genetic also. That's cancer. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how to prevent cancer. How do one prevent him or herself from cancer? First of all, please stop or better still, never start smoking tobacco or cigarette. Yes, cigarette or tobacco, please do not, or do not engage in smoking tobacco or cigarette. And if you are doing it, try to stop it. Also, you should avoid excess sunlight. Next is you have to eat healthy. In every sicknesses or whatever, eat healthy. It helps. Also, get vaccinated. After that, you keep a healthy weight. Try to exercise as much as you can, please. Whenever you feel your weight, your body system is kind of like you're feeling uncomfortable, try to exercise. Make sure you are at the normal age, weight. You are weighing a normal weight. Also, cut back on alcohol. Your intake of alcohol, please, you should cut back on it. If you've already started, when maybe if you're already very used to it, try to cut back on your intake of alcohol. And if you haven't started, please, it is advisable for you to stay away from it. And that is that. We have many more. You can Google it on the website, and you can go to your doctor. And please try as much as possible to visit your doctors regularly as much as you can. So, in to conclude what I've just said, now I just talked about cancer, its causes, some types of cancer, preventive measures, isn't it? So if you need more information, you can call us always on this number 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662. And don't forget, when we give you this medicine, we are giving you this medicine with 100% guarantee for you to be cured. There is nothing like we are managing it, or no, we'll give you this medicine with 100% guarantee. Also, you can meet us at our head office, which is at number C21 Safiya House, opposite Dangi, Zaria Road, and close to this popular supermarket called Jifatu Store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.